Hi, so today I want to unbox with you Nola in the color Bernstein Multi Shad by Wille Modix collection. I am so excited that Adoran's now carrying the Modix collection by Wille because it's such a pretty line. There's so many lovely styles in there, so go and check them out if you haven't done so already. So Nola is not a new style, but it is a lovely beachy kind of look. So let's unbox it together so we all get to see it straight out of the box. So it comes looking like this. Let's take it out. It comes with a very long tag, and let's go straight into the cap construction. So we have a lace front that is extended. We have a mono part that goes all the way back to the crown, so that gives you a really natural hairline all the way back to the crown. Little bit of permatease, but not much. And open wefts, sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. So let's have a look at this color Bernstein Multi Shad. It's such a gorgeous blonde color, very natural, and look at these kind of barely there waves. So the pictures, if I have them, I put them up here. It's a little bit more wavy than this. So if you're after one that has a bit more waves, I would suggest to have a look at Stella. Stella is a very similar look but more wavy. Also a beachy type look, and it has heat-friendly fibers, so you can style it whichever way you like, but it's very similar, also from the Modix collection. So let's pop this on. Let's have a look what a Nola looks like straight out of the box. And it really is a pretty style. So it's about a chin length bob, and as I said, with these barely there waves, it's just so pretty. Let's look at the lace front. Wille lace fronts are always really well done, very natural. Really can't see any kind of knots there. Let's look at Nola from all sides. It's so cute. Very lightweight. As I said, just a little bit of permatease here at the crown and right here, but not much. Is really just to give you a little bit of lift here at the crown. Overall, I think the density is very light. It's so pretty, easily attackable on both sides. Right, so tell me what you think of Nola by Wille Modix collection. Bye.